What's up, guys? So, I got a new phone. Alright, so I was at the pool, came back, and I went swimming, forgot my phone was in my pocket, and literally only swimming for 5 minutes, and I get wrecked, and my phone gets waterlogged. Now, it was working for the first hour and a half. I was using it normal, like this, you know, just normally. And then I flip it to watch some YouTube, and guess what? My whole screen dies. So I think all I have to do is replace the screen, but I'm pretty sure it's also waterlogged, so I sent it. With 3 eyes. I forgot what that meme was, but it had like 3 eyes. And so I got the new one. 3 cameras. It's supposed to do like 4K or something like that. Something crazy, but you know, I'm gonna use my Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera because I'm all about that. But yeah, let's get through this. Maybe I'll unbox it for you guys. Alright, so I'm here at my fiance's desk. You can see me there. What's up? Here is how it came in. Let me open this up. Comes with your Apple stuff, blah blah blah. Comes with these. They like try and trick you and make you think these are like AirPods, but the wire's right there. Ha! Peasant. And then they changed the cable now. So, as you can see, it's a USB-C now, and the lightning cable. So, I'm just gonna keep this here because I already have one lightning cable with the USB-C. And obviously they give you a charging brick that's USB-C. But that's that. Nothing too special about this. TBH. Okay, what did we bring to the table? Well, Box of AirPods Pro! Nah, I didn't buy these. My fiancée surprised me. I mean, fiancée, thank you. I got surprised. I didn't know that I was gonna get this. It just happened. So, to make fun of the brushes, here we are. My fiancée got me these, and honestly, I'm so excited. I got her a pair for Christmas the other time, and I was using it, and she got mad at me because like it connects through the phone, and like every time you connect with someone else's phone, like messes it up. How are you supposed to do this? I think you're supposed to keep ripping. Oh yeah. Oh, satisfying. Oh yeah. Okay. Guys, you're not ready for this. Have you seen those like videos where like it's memes, and he's like, he has the AirPods, and then he sees that the AirPods Pro came out, and he's like, I'm poor again. And then he finally gets the Pros, and he's like, ha, peasants, can't hear you. I'm about to be flexing. Now, I have not seen this, so I'm pretty excited to unbox this. If it opens, doing this with one hand, recording for you guys. Designed in Cali. AirPods Pro, manual. This is the goods. Oh, do you hear that noise? Okay guys, I'm gonna set this up. We'll go over it. Alright guys, how do I look? Okay, first impressions, amazing. Okay, so I do the noise canceling. You just kind of just hold it and everything turns off. Not physically turns off, but like you can't hear anything. It's crazy. You see a little smudge right there. It gets crazy. And then you open it. It's like a suction, like suction cups in, but it's not like, if you push in on the ear, it's not like forcing it all the way down the ear canal like other headphones. Beats. But these are, you hold it, everything opens up. You can hear everything around you. Now, I haven't really tried any music yet, so let's try some music. Try some music here. Actually, let me turn the volume middle. Okay. Okay. It sounds amazing. Okay, let me hold this. I can't even hear myself talk. That's amazing. Jeez. Oh, everything's back. Okay. Let me snap and let me see if I can hear it. You can still hear everything. Wait. Okay, I can't really hear it. Oh, okay. It's like, you can barely hear it. But this is the best part. Best part. Every AirPods owner. It's amazing. I like it. Alright. Let me pause the music. I mean, it's amazing. What more can you say? Quality. It is a little pricey, I will admit, but I think it's worth it. Honestly, work, running. I tried other headphones, wired, running, did not work. I think these are pretty amazing. You want to be happy when you're working out, like listening to music, this is it. Alright guys, that's going to conclude it for the video. Like, subscribe, one video every week, coming to you, just consistent. And if you guys like it, you guys subscribe, like the videos, I'll put more out. Kind of just do whatever, but you can. Alright guys, see you later.